Ever wondered how your favorite video games come to life? It's not just about coding and graphics. It's about strategy, vision, and understanding what players truly want. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of product strategy and road mapping. We'll equip you with the skills to not only dream up amazing game ideas, but also navigate the complex journey of bringing them to market. Whether you dream of working for a major studio or launching your own indie masterpiece, mastering product management is your key to success in this exciting world of video games. To kick things off, you'll start here with Product Strategy 101, where you'll delve into the core concepts of product strategy, focusing on how to build a roadmap that leads to winning video game ideas. By the end of this video, you'll be able to define the concept of product strategy and its significance in the video game industry. You'll also be able to explain the key elements of a successful product strategy, including target audience, unique value proposition, market research, and competitive analysis. Just what is product strategy? Product strategy is your game plan, guiding the path from your initial game concept to a successful launch and beyond. A robust product strategy outlines what your game is all about, who it's designed for, and how it will stand out in the fiercely competitive gaming landscape. Let's unpack the key elements that form the foundation of a successful product strategy in the video game industry. This is where it all starts. Know your players. You need a deep understanding of your target audience, the players you're creating this game for. What genres do they enjoy? What platforms do they play on? What are their expectations in terms of graphics, gameplay, and story? Understanding your players allows you to tailor your game to their specific desires and preferences. Take the widely popular game Animal Crossing: New Horizons, for example. Nintendo clearly understood their target audience's desire for a relaxing, open-ended experience where they could create their own virtual paradise. With all the video games out there, what makes yours special? What's the unique selling point that sets your game apart and compels players to choose it over others? Is it innovative gameplay mechanics, a captivating story, stunning visuals, or a combination of these factors? Consider the game Among Us. Its unique blend of social deduction and teamwork quickly captured the hearts of millions, showcasing the power of a distinctive value proposition. Think of this as your reconnaissance mission. What other games are vying for the attention of your target audience? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Understanding the competitive landscape helps you identify opportunities to differentiate your game and carve out your own unique space in the market. For instance, before launching Valorant, Riot Games meticulously studied the competitive shooter market, identifying areas where they could innovate and offer a fresh experience to players. Your product roadmap is the timeline that charts your game's development journey. It outlines key milestones, features, and release dates, ensuring everyone on your team is aligned and working towards the same goals. A robust roadmap extends beyond the initial launch, encompassing post-launch updates, expansions, and even sequels. Look at the ongoing success of Grand Theft Auto Online. Rockstar Games' commitment to regular updates and expansions has kept players engaged and coming back for more years after the game's initial release. Once your game is ready for launch, it's time to generate excitement and build anticipation. This involves crafting trailers, engaging in social media campaigns, partnering with influencers, and employing other marketing tactics to create buzz around your game. The launch of Fall Guys. Its vibrant visuals, quirky gameplay, and clever marketing campaign propelled it to viral success, demonstrating the impact of a well-executed product marketing strategy. The journey doesn't end at launch. Post-launch management involves actively listening to player feedback, tracking key metrics, and continuously iterating on your game to enhance the player experience. No Man's Sky is a prime example of the importance of post-launch management. Hello Games used player feedback to new iterations of the game, releasing numerous updates that transform the game into the experience players originally envisioned. Staying current with industry best practices and leveraging the latest tools is paramount. This includes utilizing project management tools like Asana or Trello, analytics platforms like Amplitude or Mixpanel, and CRM software to effectively manage player interactions and feedback. Moreover, generative AI is revolutionizing game development. Stay curious and explore how AI can help you create even more immersive and captivating gaming experiences. By meticulously defining your audience, value proposition, roadmap, and by harnessing the power of industry best practices and cutting-edge tools, you'll increase your chances of creating a successful and unforgettable gaming experience. Just remember, product management is a dynamic field and constantly evolving. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to your success.